What is up, everybody? How you guys today? And welcome back to another video. And today we're going to show you guys all of the returning and brand new weapons, ranging from mythic weapons to all the normal, common to legendary guns. So let's get started. And we also have this thing as well. So first off, we got here is Slone Striker Burst Rifle. As you guys see, it does a in-depth look, just like what did with the MK. 36 damage, fire rate 3.8, magazine size 26, reload time is 2.21, and it sounds like this. Pretty cool, right? Next up, we have Gunner's Stinger Smg. Same thing as last season's. There's your information. Sounds like this. Pretty cool. Make sure my volume's up a little bit. And then we got the brand new Huntmaster Saber thermal scoped rifle. Pretty cool. 32 damage, fire rate 4, magazine size 15, and reload time of 1.96. You got keep rapidly pressing your fire button. You got the drum shotgun, OG season 1 gun. Real damage is all that, so there's that. It sounds like this. Pretty cool. Oh, forgot to do the reload on it. Pretty cool. Got that sucker. I don't care. Then we got the combat SMG, pretty new. There's the information right there. Sounds like this. The normal Striker Burst. This is the epic version. Information. Thermoscoped. Same reload. Different information. Then we got the Revolver. I'll pick up that thing. This one. The Revolver. That, and then there's something to do with the repair torch. All you do is just fix the vehicle. So that is it. That's all the weapons of Chapter 3, Season 2. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So if you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later in the video. Peace out.